California.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scale Writer Collective YouTube channel. Recently, I had a to-do list sticky noted to my desk. I don't know where it went. Oh, he has it. Give me that. So, the sticky note says, to do, finish models, and I did just that. I've finished the mailbox chopper, Ed Big Daddy Roth, Trike, one of the Trick Trikes in the Trick Trike series. I unboxed this a while back on the channel, and I just got it finished. So let's go ahead and see what the build looks like. So when it comes to the MPC Trick Trike Mailbox Chopper by Ed Big Daddy Roth, it does not come with the Roth figure. That is from a separate kit put out by Revell. And it does not come with the easel. That's from a different thing I had as well. It does come with this mailbox decal. You get 2 mailbox decals. And it does not come with this Ed Big Daddy Roth right here. There was an Ed Big Daddy Roth mailbox chopper decal in the kit that you can make a display card with, and that cracked into a ton of different pieces. That's one thing I gotta say. I don't know if it's all of them, but definitely mine. When it came to the decals, this was a brand new kit. It wasn't old or anything, and the decals just were really brittle. So moving on to the trike, you can see here the mailbox decal, and it is also cracked at the top of the M. That was actually put there to replace the other mailbox decal that was white, as you can see, and then outlined with red. So I initially put the red with the white mailbox, and it just tore in a million pieces, like I said. So we got 2 different mailbox decals on there, and the bike, these bikes go together fairly fast, but they are a little finicky when it comes to putting the motor onto the frame, because the frame is 2 separate pieces. This body part is also 2 separate pieces. Let me move this. And there's usually going to be a mold line right here, but you can barely see it. The seat is just 1 piece. So you can kind of see around the window here, that line. But we used some pictures of the real mailbox chopper. This one isn't, the model isn't exact anyways when it comes to what the real bike looks like. So we kind of used the box art inspiration and a little bit of the real mailbox chopper inspiration when it comes to the colors. You can see we got orange, purple, golden yellows, greens. Then we got fades that are on the bike here. We got golden yellow into orange, into magenta and purple and blue. And then the blue shot over the golden yellow color, made this dark green. So there's also a little bit of the dark green over here. That blue over top of that lime color, which is fairly similar to the golden yellow there. And then as I was painting the body, I dropped it, and I have a black dog that sheds, so I do have some hair in there, but couldn't pick it all out. And then you can see the gas tank also has orange, yellow, and green. Went with the green headlights. There's 3 different colors that you could choose from when it comes to the headlights and the glass. So I went with green. There's also orange and clear. So if you're interested in looking at the unboxing of this kit, I'll leave it in the iCard over here. It'll be up so you guys can check that out. It's a pretty cool kit. So all these trick trikes are really cool. The grips are just colored with black Sharpie, as well as the iron cross and these front springs. Normally on all my previous trike builds, I've done them in red. This time I decided to do something different with the springs. Then the seat, there's a few different colors you could have went with. So a lot of the pictures I seen, they had this reddish color seat. On the box it shows like an orange brown. I'll go ahead and grab that. So there's the box. And you can see the decals. Comes with this giant bonus rat fink. There's that display card decal I was talking about that just broke in a million pieces when I was trying to put it on the card I made. And then here's the 2 different mailboxes. So you get a variety of decals. It's like I said, a really cool kit. I really enjoy these trick trikes. So if you haven't seen the other trick trikes, I've built them all, even some custom ones. So at the end of this video, I'll leave the playlist linked to the trick trikes that I've built. And now the last one that I needed was this one, the Taco Trike. And this is number 2 in the series. It's the second trike, I do believe. They all have numbers, but finally got this one a while back. So looking forward to building this one as well. So stay tuned for this, as it will be coming to the channel as well in the future. Another thing, when it came to the paint, this is all done with an airbrush. I think it came out looking pretty good. Little disappointed in the decals, but got a nice build overall. With the frame, I just pretty much free-handed all that when it came to the colors. So here you can see they do roll. And there you can see more of the colors on the underside, the golden yellow, the blues with the greens, a little bit of spatter, but that's what happens when the tip of your airbrush dries and you don't pay attention to it. But I do this stuff for fun, and I had fun. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed taking a look at my mailbox chopper trick trike build, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like, and subscribe.